Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you use time tracker here on Upwork? Now, the before we begin, let's just go ahead and open up the platform first. Let's just go ahead and search it. Okay. So, the primary purpose of Upwork's time tracker is to facilitate fair and transparent billing for hourly contracts. Okay, so this is especially for hourly contractors, not just the one-time project. Okay, so this ensures accurate payment. So by logging in, by logging time worked, it basically ensures freelancers are paid for the actual hours they work. So basically enhance transparency. So clients can see how time is spent on their projects through activity logs and screenshots. Support and dispute resolutions in case of a dispute over hours worked or payment. The time tracker provides a detailed record to help resolve issues. So, especially the automatic time tracking. So the tracker records the time when it is running, captures data in real time, screenshots. It takes screenshots of the freelancer's screen at random intervals to provide visual proof of the art, the work itself. Did I just say art? I don't know. And basically activity monitoring. So measures activity level based on mouse movements and keyboard inputs to assess productivity. Okay, so features of the time tracker, basically real time capture. So once activated, the time tracker starts logging in time automatically, so freelancers don't need to manually start or stop the clock. So the tracker operates in the background and captures data continuously, and while the freelancer is working on the Upwork tasks. And screenshots are taken at random intervals every 10 minutes. So this frequency ensures a representative view of freelancers' work without being too intrusive. So freelancers can review screenshots taken during their work sessions. If professional or sensitive information is displayed, it is advisable to avoid displaying such content while tracker is active. So the tracker assesses activity based on mouse and keyboard usage. Higher activity levels generally indicate more productive work. So Upwork's system usually uses these activity levels to ensure that build hours reflect productive work, not just spent with tracker, aimlessly running. And freelancers can manually enter the time for the task that may not have been captured by automatic tracker. Unlike track time, manual time entries do not benefit from Upwork's payment. Basically, a payment protection is what it is. It should be used sparingly. So, the Upwork time tracker is available for download from Upwork website or through the desktop application store for Windows and Mac. This is a follow-up. So follow the installation instructions, basically specific to your operating system. Ensure that you have administrative rights if required. So log in using your Upwork credentials to link time tracker. This is only for freelancers, not for customers. Okay, so start the tracker when beginning the work. For an hourly contract, the tracker needs to be active for time to be recorded. So you can pause or stop the tracker when you are not actively working. This ensures that time is only logged when you are engaged in work. Okay, so periodically review the time logs and screenshots to ensure accuracy. If you notice any discrepancies, address them promptly. Notes and tasks: utilize the notes featured to add context to the time tracked. This helps clients understand what was accomplished during specific periods. So best practices for effective time tracking basically is consistency and regularity. So regularly monitoring the time tracker, just to make sure that it basically works and functions properly. Okay, address any issues basically, and consistently use this tracker during Upwork hours to provide complete and accurate record of the time worked. So regularly update clients on progress and how time is being spent. This fosters trust and reduces the likelihood of disputes. So detailed reports, very important. Provide detailed reports for summaries of work done if required, so complementing the time tracker data. Okay, so optimize productivity, basically maintain a reasonable level of activity to ensure that time tracking reflects productive work. Avoid basically distractions to improve your activity metrics. Okay, now regularly review activity metrics to ensure they align with the work being done. Address any significant deviations. Okay, so be aware that it's visible on your screen. So when time tracker takes screenshots, avoid displaying personal or sensitive information. Ensure that your computer and data are secure to protect against unauthorized access. Okay, so all in all, keep your time tracker operating system up to date to protect against security vulnerabilities. And that's just one of the time tracking apparatus. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching tech trick tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.